Bart and I will run your business till your dad's okay.
What do you know about being a mob boss?
Everything.
This guy in here owes us money.
Leave him to me. Oh, I hurt my fist and my palm. I thought you guys were looking out for me. Ow. All right, tap jockey. You owe Fat Tony $50. Cough it up.
Look, mister, I don't got the cash. My clientele, they're all bums. They never pay.
Just get the money.
Homer, the mob is putting the screws on me, see? I ain't getting killed because you won't pay your tab. Now give me $50.
Okay, take it. Just don't hurt me.